it gets very effectively resolved in 3 components. Okay, so this is a naturally evolved structure of carbon. Carbon prefers either planar or tetrahedral, and natural abundance of carbon is mostly tetrahedral, and the so-called graphitic structure or planar sp2 hybridized carbon, which provides our pencil lead, that graphitic form, that is one electrode, and other form is the diamond. Diamond contains all this tetrahedral structure, and diamond is very hard, so there is a mechanical strength to this arrangement going beyond the bond pair repulsion. And the other funny story I tell is, like, since I threw this tetrahedron to the class and they are looking at it, and I said that, do you see this object has any use of this object for a tire shop person by the side of highway? So my question is this shape of any use for someone who is running a tire repair shop? Okay, bit more mischievous use of this. Suppose these edges are all sharp. If these edges are all sharp, all 4 edges are sharp, and the tire guy by the side of the highway, when he is walking by the side of the highway, he just have to drop it. You don't have to go and adjust like this. It's guaranteed that one edge will be pointing up, and it is sharp, and it can withstand the pressure. It won't break. A well-made mischievous object, tetrahedral shape, will guarantee function. That is advice. That's a business model. So I tell them that, okay, you can derive inspiration from chemistry, and you can have business models, and the Pan India network for tire repair, tire puncture repair, inspired by tetrahedron. You can name your company as tetrahedron tire repair. So some of these would help us connect. Telling story after story. It went to such an extent. So we are all subjected to what is known as course evaluation at the end of the course. This is a confidential operation. Students will have to log in and they enter their comments about the course. There are some 20 standard questions where they strongly agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. There are many questions whether this teacher was inspirational, whether this teacher showed great knowledge. There are many standard questions. Beyond standard questions, there are provisions for additional comments. So I would say that when I feel low, many of us will feel low, right, in life, some tough times, I open this course evaluation just to charge myself up, because they have written some outrageously positive comments and some very negative comments. So one of those comments that I received, which I like, sir should tell less stories and teach more.